If your washer is not receiving enough water, or if it's displaying a 4C error code, we have some tips for helping to fill it up again. This issue is usually caused by a problem with one of the washer's hoses. Firstly, your washer's mesh filter screens may be clogged. Disconnect the hoses and then clean the filter screens as needed. Next, check if the water supply hoses are kinked, clogged, or switched. You should also confirm that both faucets are open. Make sure the faucet's hot and cold hoses are connected to the corresponding hot or cold water inlets on the washer. Additionally, make sure the drain hose is properly inserted and secured. A loose or incorrectly installed hose could be the source of the leak. Wait, there's one last thing you need to know about the drain hose. Make sure it's not inserted more than 6 inches into the drain pipe. It should not form an airtight connection. If you have a top-loading washer that isn't receiving enough water, but is not showing a 4C error, you can add more water using a different cycle, such as deep wash or deep fill.